So first in your browser type yourdomain.com/wp-admin and you click enter. So then you see this type of interface. You just put here your email ID and your password. So when you install WordPress, that time you used a email ID, also used a password. Those credentials you have to put here. And the next thing is remember me. If you uncheck it, then credential will delete it after 2 days. Or if you check it, then the credential, your login ID and password, it will stay in this browser 14 days. So then you can see here lost your password. If you lost your password or you do not remember your password, so you just click here and you can see this type of interface. So then you just put your email ID and click get new password. So you will receive an email with the instruction that how will you change your password. So that way you can change your password. So once you click here your email ID and your password, so then you click login. We can see the dashboard and we can see the admin bar at the top. This is the admin bar, you can see. So when you hover over the WordPress icon, you can see wordpress.org. It is linked to the wordpress.org official site, and then documentation linked to the WordPress official documentation page, and support links to the support area of wordpress.org, and feedback linked to the support form on WordPress. So that is for any request or feedback. So if you want, you can give a feedback to WordPress team that how can WordPress should improve. Then home icon. So if you click here, then you can see the public phase in your home page of your website. When you click it again, then it will back to your dashboard. Then update icon, you can, if you click here, then you can see what plugin or theme or WordPress. If you want, you can update those plugins or themes. Even you can update WordPress also. So next icon is notification icon. If you click here, then you can see the updates and new comments will appear here. So next, if you hover over new, you can see here a menu list such as your page, post, media. You can also add a new user. So this actually content should depend on your user role. And the next right corner of this, you see your username. If you click edit profile, then it will take to edit profile page. So just below the admin bar, there are two tabs, screen option and help. So the screen option tab appear the most administrative pages, and it allow you to control the elements that appear on that page. So in the body of this dashboard, you find the number of administrative widget or panel. So you can show or hide them using these checkboxes. Also you can change their position simply dragging and dropping where you want. So this dashboard will change based on what plugins you are using and your hosting company and how you personally configure it. When using quick draft widget, anything enter this form will be saved as a draft post. This is saved but not published your site. At a glance widget gives you a quick title for a number of posts, comment and pages so that are currently on your site. So it will also display current theme and version of WordPress that you are using. Activity shows your recent post and comment, and the WordPress events and news. It is a great way to connect to the WordPress community based on your location. You can see a list of a different WordPress related events and meetups. And this is Elementor overview. This is a page builder. If you install if you use Elementor, then you can also get the overview of Elementor, news updates, Elementor related information you will get here. So now left side you can see this is called navigational menu. So it is your primary toolkit. You use most of the time this menu. So the menu for navigating to every section of your site. So this is main menu for navigating to every section of your sites. Some of these are used much more frequently than others, particularly post, pages and comments. So you can notice that most of the content focused menu items are located in the top section, whereas menus item focus on functionality, appearance and other settings are grouped together at the bottom. So now we will talk about post. So if you hover over this post widget, you can see all post, add post, categories and tags. So posts are used for content that changes regularly. So content like article, news, blog. So if I click all post, so here you can see those posts which you have published in your website, and it is generally appear reverse chronological order. So that means when a visitor come to your site, they will always see the latest post which you have uploaded or published. So if you hover over this post, then you can see 4 options appear: edit, quick edit, trash, view. So if I click quick edit, so here you can see categories, date, slug, tags, everything you can see here. If I click edit, then you come to the edit post where you can edit your blog. Then you can see trash. If you click, then your post will be go to trash file. And this is view. You can see that how look your post. So next, add post. So create a new blog post. So if you want to write a post, then so first write a title: WordPress Dashboard Tutorial for Beginners 2026. So then you have to write a content. So I will paste here some dummy content. And I want, after this title, I will add a image. So I click the plus icon, I will take image and I will upload image from my gallery. So I will select this one and then I will click publish. So you can see the blog. So one more thing is here you can see bulk action. You can click here, you can edit bulk, you can move to trash. If you click move to trash and apply, then all the post will go to trash file. If you want to edit in bulk, then you just click edit, select edit and click apply. Then you can edit bulk post. Okay, so here you can see, here you can select dates and you can see those date what post you have published. And then categories, here you can see all categories. You can see your post or blog category wise. You can select from here and then filter. You will type, you can see the result. And also there have a search option. You can type here any type of content or word or phrase, keyword. You can see those type of post, whatever keyword you can see, like you can see SEO. So if you click search post, so you can see there is showing nothing because there have no post SEO related. And next, categories. So categories means grouping. In simple way, categories organize your content into main topic. Like I will type WordPress, slug WordPress, add category. So here you can see WordPress category showing. So next I will type SEO, slug SEO. Slug always write in small letter and click add category. So you can see here 2 category added. So categories help both users and search engine to understand your content. Then tags are small keyword related to your content. So normally categories are broad topics and tags are specific details. So tags I will write WordPress tutorial. So I will slug, I will paste it same WordPress tutorial tags. And another is, so then I will type learn WordPress, slug learn WordPress and click add tags. So I will take 2 tags, SEO categories, basic SEO, add tags, on page SEO, now you can see how can you choose categories and tags. So then we will talk about media. If you hover over the media widget, then you can see library and add file. So first I will click library. So here you can see all your media file, images, audio, video, documents, so all things you can see. Also you can choose media file date wise, and this is you can how you change the layout. So if you want, you can click here, then the layout has been changed. So whatever suitable for you, you can select according to you. And one more thing, once you delete something from here, it will delete permanently. And bulk selected, if you want, you can delete it permanently. And you can add media file from click here. So you can select file from click here, you can upload anything. So here you can see 2 photo has been uploaded, or you can drag and drop file. So by drop and dragging system, you can also upload file. Next, if you hover over the page widget, then you can see all pages, add pages. So here you can see your pages. So like you can add pages from here, add new page, contact and publish, and then you add another page about, click publish. So here you can see 2 pages I have just added. This is also similar in post. So there have also edit, quick edits, trash view. From here bulk action, you can edit, move to trash. If you click here, then if you want to move to trash, then just click apply. All your pages will move to trash. If you want a single page you want to move to trash, click this page and select move to trash and click apply. So this will go to trash file. So next, all date, you can see pages date wise, and also here you can search pages like keywords, phrase keywords, or content or page name. You can see those pages. So simple, I will type here contact and enter. So you can see contact page appear here. So this is the way you can use this. So next part is comment. So if I click on comments, so comments allow visitors to interact with your content. So as you hover over each comment, you can see the different options that are available to you, such as unapproved, means approved, replay, quick edit, edit, spam, trash. So and the left side you can see the comment has information like their name and their gravatar and their email address. So this is gravatar icon, this is email address, and this is the name or website. And if you see the right side, so you can also see which post this was left on, and always you can find bulk option here also, unapproved, approved, mark as spam, move to trash, and you can apply it. You just click here and you select one of those which you want. If you want unapproved the comment, you can do that. You can choose bulk or single. You can search here comment types, what type of comments. So you can select comment from here also, and you can filter, and also there are search option. If you want, you can search any content or keyword or what, so that will content related comments will appear here. So next we will talk about appearance section. Mainly in this appearance section you can change your site theme. So in this appearance section, if you hover over this appearance widget, you can see theme, design, customize, menu, theme file editor. So themes, if I click in themes, so that means theme define the overall design structure of your website. You just keep in mind that it will design structure of your website. And then if I click design, so you can see here that layout and visual settings. So it is depend on theme. Next we will talk about customize. If I click customize option, so here you can see site identity, like you can change your logo from here, change your site title, and menu, you can create menu. So you can create menu here also. So which location you prefer this menu? If you want header, so click next. If you want header and footer, if you choose on, that will good. If you choose both, that will also good. So from here you can choose menu item like contact. So you can choose contact. If you choose home, so you can select also those things. Okay, then homepage settings. So many things you can do it from customize option. Go back and click menu. So menu controls your website navigation. That means from here you can create a new menu. So I will type demo new and create new. So here you can see two menu is showing. So if I click first Luna menu and select click, then this menu is showing. If I click demo new, select, so there is nothing showing because I did not add any pages, posts or content. So if you want, you can create here from page, add pages, add menu. So it is added and then save menu. So then theme file editor. So if you know coding, then it is for you. If you don't know coding, then I will recommend you that do not do anything here. After once you understand the interface, understand the how WordPress work, then later you can work here. So if you do not know coding, so I will request you do not do anything here, because if you something changes here, then your website will not work. Okay, simple things. So next we will talk about plugins. So hover over on the plugins, you can see install plugins, add plugin and plugin file editor. So install plugin means whatever plugins you have installed, so that will show here. Add plugins, you can add here also, or you can add plugin here also. So if I click add plugin, so here you can search plugin name and you can install it and active those plugin and use it. And one more thing I have forget, that here you can see a bulk action, which is activate, deactivate, update, delete, enable to auto updates, disable auto updates. So if you want, you can select bulk option and you click update and click apply. So whatever plugin you have installed in your website, all plugins will update it. And if you think no, I will delete all plugins, then you just select the delete option and check the box here, and your all plugin will select it, and you just click apply, and then this plugin will delete it. So before delete any plugin, you have first deactivate, then apply, then again you select those plugin and then delete and apply. And next, plugin file editor. You can see a pop-up is showing. What is saying here? It is saying that if you understand how to edit plugins, then you work here. Neither you do not do anything here. So now let's talk about users. So first, here you can see all users. In this part, you can see here all users you have added to access your dashboard. So now talk about add user. First, you have to write a username, a email address, valid email address, first name. So I will username will shoikot_shorkar. So it is required. Email address, I will select digitalbuilder01@gmail.com. Then first name shoikot, last name shorkar, website you leave it blank, and generate password. So if you want, you can use this password. Either you can choose a custom password, and then you select the role. So here you can see the 5 type of role. First one is subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. So I will explain all those users capabilities and their role. So first we will talk about administrator. So administrator, somebody who has access to all the administration features within a single site. You can add plugin, you can remove users. So this is the work of administrator. And second is editor. So editor, somebody who can publish and manage posts, including the post of other users. And Then author. So author, somebody who can publish and manage their own post. So this is the role and capabilities of author role. And then talk about contributor. Contributor, somebody who can write and manage their own post but cannot publish the post or blog. And last, subscriber. So somebody who can only manage their profile. So when you install WordPress, an administrator account is automatically created. So then you select a role, and I will type editor and then click add user. So automatic a user add in your all user panel. So you can see here, hover over the user's name, you can see edit, delete, view. So you can send them to reset their password. And when you add somebody, so whatever email address you have added, a mail has been sent to this email address, and he can get the username and password. Then he will type here your domain name.com/wp-admin, and then they will enter their email ID or username and password, and then he can log in and access your dashboard. So next we will talk about profile. So if I click profile, you can see there have administration color scheme. From here you can change the color of dashboard. So you choose according to you what color you want to choose. If you change color, it will not show publicly, so only you can see these changes. And keyboard shortcut, so I will leave it as it is. So next is toolbar. So I will recommend it, please check this. It is not for visitors, it is for users. If a editor uncheck this toolbar, then he do not show this admin bar. So that is the thing. And if I scroll down, you can see about yourself. It is showing in a blog section. When you post a blog and publish it, then below the post it will appear your profile picture, your biographical info. So here you can see there have no image because there have no gravatar image is selected. So I will show you how you can change your profile. So first I will right click here and open a new tab. So I will click get started now. Enter your email address which you have put here. I just copy and paste here and then continue. So a verification code has been sent in my mail. So I will click it. This is the code which I paste here and then click continue. So first you have to type here what is your full name. Sarkar. I will click continue. Image, I will click upload and I will select this one. So then I will click done. Okay, then I will click continue. So location Kolkata, West Bengal, India. Biography, I build system. Job title, web designer. And company organization, I will click digital builder marketing service. So then I will click continue. So then you can verify from your website, choose your WordPress, LinkedIn, wherever. So I will click do this later and then I will click finish. Okay. So that's all. So here if I reload this page, you can see the image has been appear here. So how you can change your profile picture? So I'll click update profile. So now tools. So first you can see available tool, import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data. So basically available tools, if I click available tools, so categories and tags, if you want to convert your categories to tag, choose this categories and tag converter. So import, you can import if you have any website, blogger or any other WordPress website you want to import from that site to this site. So you can do it from here. If I click export, then you can export your data. So here from here you can see your site health, and then we will click personal data. So export personal data, this section about if a user asks the data from the site owner that what data you are using and what is the purpose of the data. So you just export your data and you send those users who want this. And erase personal data. If someone tell you that I want to delete my personal data from your website, erase the personal data who do not want this. Last and most important thing is settings. So when you hover over settings, you can see there are general settings, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks and privacy. So first we will click general settings. So general settings, first site title. This is the name of your website which is showing here. Change it anytime and automatic it will update it, you can see. And then tagline, that means it is a short description about your website and you write your tagline according your business. So it is helps search engine use this information to understand your website. So always keep it clean and descriptive. Once you update it, you will see the site title appear at the top of your website. So then site icon, you can see here WordPress icon. This is this icon. This is site icon. So you can change or add or remove icon from here also. And the next part is WordPress address URL and site address URL. So I will request you, do not do anything here. So it is very sensitive area. And the administration email address, you can change it anytime. You just, if you want to change your administration email ID, you just put the email ID and you get a confirmation mail. You just confirm those mail and your administration email ID will be changed. Membership, anyone can register. So this is for membership website. If you have a business or blog, so this is not for you. Site language, you choose site language according your language, your area where you belong from. So there are a lot of languages. You choose according your target audience and target country. So I will do it English, United States. And time zone, which time zone you are belonging. Time zone choose according your location. So I will select Kolkata. Then date format, which date format you want to use. You can use this format or this format or this format. You use according to you. Time format, also there are time format. There are also custom. So you can choose it according to you. No boundaries or there have no rules that you have to do only this thing. There have nothing. You choose according to you, whatever suitable for you, because it is showing when someone fill the contact form, when you post a blog in your website, that time this format will show. And week start on Monday. My week start on Monday, so I select here Monday. If your week start from Saturday, you can type here Saturday. So that's all, and then click save changes. So now talk about writing settings. Control how WordPress create a publishes content on your website. Means this is for how to publish your content in your website. So post category, here you can see post category SEO WordPress, which I have before here I have done. So what is that means default post category? That means if you create a blog post without choosing a category, WordPress will automatically put that post into this default category. So I will show you. So I click add new post. So here I will type learn WordPress for free. And content, I will take dummy content. So then site icon, and you can see here WordPress icon. Here you can see automatic it will take default category. This is site icon. I will select WordPress. So how you can choose that things. And default post format. So now it is standard. So I will suggest you do it as it is. So post via mail. If someone want to post by mail, so it is helpful for them. So I will recommend you as a beginner, you do not do it. And mail server, so mail server is a part of post via mail and login name password. So I will request you keep it as it is. So the simple thing is, if you are not posting by mail, these settings are not required, are not useful, and I will suggest you save to ignore, leave them as it is. Default mail category. So if you post using mail, WordPress assign this category automatically. Since you are not using post by mail, so you just leave it as it is. And update server, when you publish a new blog post, WordPress automatically informs search engines and blog directories. So keep it default, do not remove it. You can add more later, but one is enough. Click save changes. So next we will talk about reading. So reading, basically here you can see your home page display. You can see two options here. Option 1, your latest post. So it is best for blog, news site, or personal website. If your home page shows your newest blog post automatically, so what is happen, if you choose first one, this one, so then your home page show your newest blog post automatically, and every new post appear on the home page. And if you choose this on when you are making a blog website, if you are not making a blog website, then you just choose second option. So second option is a static page. It is best for business website, company site, service website. So if you select this one, you select on page as your home page, like service, home you can choose, and post page you can choose blog, like a blog page. And blog pages show at most 10. So that means how many blog posts appear on page. So in a page, how many blog will show. You can increase or decrease it according to you. It is by default 10. If you want, you can do it 20, you can do it 50. So I will recommend you, now you just keep it 10. And syndication feeds show the most recent. Here is showing 10. So what is that mean? That means how many posts people see when they follow your site via RSS. So RSS feed automatically send your notification to your visitor. So when visitor get a notification and he click the notification, and how many posts they will see. So you can select this one also from here. And for each post in a feed, include full text or except. Full text means full blog, and except means the summary of your content. You just do it except. If you want, you can do it full text also. So depend on your need. And then search engine visibility, this is, you can uncheck it. It is a very crucial part. If you checked it, then Google will not show your website. Your website becomes invisible in search result. So keep it unchecked. When you use it, your website under development, website is not ready, or you are testing, so that time you can check it. Otherwise you can uncheck it, and then click save changes. So now we will talk about discussion. So I click discussion. So discussion settings mainly control comments on your website. Who can comments, how comments behave, and how spam is controlled. So default post setting, so attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post. So you just mark it, and that means when you link another website in your blog, WordPress send them a notification. Then allow link notification from other blogs, pingbacks and trackbacks, or on new post. In a simple way, that means another blog talks about your article. If someone paste your link in their article, so their link can appear as a comment. So it can increase spam, so you can uncheck it. Allow people to submit their comments on new post. This allow people to comment, so you can check it. So next, other comment settings. Comment author must fill out name and email ID. If you check it, then comment box will appear below the blog post. User must be registered and logged into comment. That means only login user who have login, only they can comment. So it is for membership site and it is really bad for blog website. Automatically close comment on old post. So it is means stop comment on old post. Here is showing close comments when post is how many days old. So after 14 days you can increase it or decrease it. From here you can do it 2 days or 20 days. So according to by default here is 14 days. After 14 days you cannot comment a post. Show comments cookies option in checkbox allowing comment author cookies to be set. That means here you can see save my name, email ID. This box will appear below the form. And enable threads nested comments. So that means people can comment below your post between them. So in comment there have many pros and cons. So number of levels for threaded nested comments. So here is number 5 and comment pagination. Comment pagination means WordPress have an option that means you publish a post in your site and below the post many people comment in your post, so you can split this comment different pages. So that settings here. Email me whenever anyone post a comment, check it, and a comment held for moderation, check it. Anyone post a note. So when someone post a comment, email me whenever anyone post a comment. Okay, check. So if someone comment on your post, so you got email, and a comment is held for moderation, so you got email. And anyone posts a note, if someone post a note, you get a email. So if you check this thing, you will get a email. Before a comment must be manually approved. If someone comment on your post, if he previously approved, you do not need to approve manually. And comment moderation, so you can use here like loan, lottery, casino, this type of word if someone use in comment, so that will be go moderation or blacklist, so that will count as a spam mail. And disallow comments if someone say like adult, porn, this type of word or content or URL or IP address, something if they put in your comment, then automatically comment will be not post. And the next is avatar display. Yes, click. And G for suitable for all audience, and PGRX it is for adult, so recommend you will select G, suitable for all audience. And default avatar means when someone comment in your post, so what type of image is showing beside the name, so you can choose retro, monster, whatever you want, you can choose it. Someone comment in your post, so this type of thing is showing, and then click save changes. So next part is media, so I will click media. So media size means when you add a image in your media library, what will be the thumbnail size, that will you select from here. You select thumbnail size on 50 by 150, medium size 300 by 300, large size 124 by 124. If you want, you can choose here maximum weight 190, 1920 by 1024. You can choose 500 by 500, so you can choose it from here. So upload files, if you check it, then simple meaning how WordPress store your video or images or media file. So if you check it, then organize it monthly and year basis. So then click save changes. So now we will talk about discuss on permalink settings. I forget on things that discussion. When you post a blog, then here you can see discussion option that is open. You can comment off or on from here also. If you choose close, then comment option will disappear. If you want, you can appear the comment option. The people can comment in your post. So that is one thing I forget. So next we will talk about permalinks. So permalinks are basically your permanent links. So suppose if I click here, you can see WordPress Dashboard full tutorial for beginners 2026. So this is called permalinks. So if I choose date and day and name, so then what happened if I then here you can see date is showing. This link is showing. If you want to set your permalinks, so always do it post link. So it is help for SEO purpose. Also it is help users or visitors. And then click save changes. Suppose I do not want this Slack. This is a quite long title, so I want to reduce it. So I will only type WordPress tutorial and click save, and I click. So here you can see the permalinks has been changed. So if you want to change your permalinks, so one plugin is available. You just click add a new plugin and click redirection link. So here you can see this plugin. So this plugin can help you to redirect your old URL to newer URL. 2 million active installation and rating is well, and last update 1 day ago. So you can use this plugin also. So you just install it, then active. So here redirection. So click settings. So you just start the setup, continue, finish. So setup is completed. Click continue, ready to begin. Okay, in redirection you just click here, and here you just type your old URL and you just click your new URL and click add redirect. So your link will be redirected. So next we will talk about privacy. Privacy means if you are a website owner, then you need to follow some international or national laws. So here you can use privacy policy page if you have any privacy policy page. So you can create from here a privacy policy. Either you can create a privacy policy here also. So here you can see the privacy policy. You can customize it according to you and then publish. How it is look like, this will look like. Thank you friends.